Good evening guys, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video we're going to be doing a review for the new event and also the first North Korean destroyer. But first we begin with the event. It is called the Star Freedom. You win online matches and receive these rewards. For the free-to-play version you get 500 gold bars, 1 day of premium account, 50 consumable, 50 upgrade points. This flags of Turkey. If we check it out, it looks amazing. It has an effect where it changes to the other different color, and we're gonna see it now. As you can see here, it changed color and it looks nice for a free flag. And for the end reward you get this, which is absolutely trash. For if you pay $5 you get 1,000 gold bars, 3 days of premium account, 100 consumables, 100 upgrade points, this Independence of Turkey skin, which again looks amazing. I have no complaints about it. And the last reward is the MKE 76 cannon, which is anti-air. It's basically free gold, or you can just keep it. And now we're going to review the first ever North Korean destroyer that is added to the modern warships. You can buy this in the official art storm. It's not available in-game, but you have to buy it in the website. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out. For the weapons, it has Pongay 5 missile, which is anti-air and has area effect damage. This nuclear missile, which is anti-flare, CH 130mm cannon, which is very powerful. This grenade launcher, which is again another good grenade launchers, has 2 torpedo slot, 1 helicopter, 1 unlocked air defense, and 4 of these locked air defenses, and also this locked air defense. And it comes with a skin bundle called Plushie. It kind of reminds me of the Labubu thing. I mean, it looks good. It's not bad. Anyways, for the ship itself, in my opinion, it's not worth it. The reason is because it is $50 if you want to buy it, and in the stats, it does not have stealth. Even though it's a new destroyer, it doesn't even have stealth. So I think if they want to make it worth the $50, it should be buffed, especially the stealth. It should be around 5%. And also the air defense. Now you have this air defense, which is basically a tier 1 air defense slammed in a tier 3 ship. I've tested it out, it's trash. It can't do anything against SLBMs or planes or missiles. I think they should buff this air defense into 3 slots and also add 2 autocannons. Then it'll be worth it. But other than that, the ship itself is powerful. If you test it out, the weapons are pretty powerful. As you can see here, the ship weapons, we have the Pongay 5 missile, which is anti-air and anti-ship, and it has a very fast reload. It does around 49,000 damage. This is the nuclear missile, which is anti-flare, and it's gonna do around 73,000 points of damage. This is the cannon, and 61,000 damage for a cannon. It relatively has a faster reload. This is the grenade launcher, and it does 68,000 damage. So for the weapons, the ship is powerful, but other than that, the stats, like the stealth percentage, and the lack of air defense, it's not worth it. Yeah, that's all I have to say, and enjoy the gameplay.